This is gonna be a 4-minute video where I'm gonna explain a little bit of what we do in our regular maintenance for a mini split air conditioner or heat pump. So as you can see, all this mud is the dust and debris that are recirculating in the room or living room wherever the unit is installed. So all this provokes the unit to fail, or it might provoke some health issues like itchy throat, coughing, and some type of allergies, because all this is moldy or mold, organic growth, however you want to call it, and it gets into your lungs, into your respiratory system, and it causes issues. So this is how we use just water first, and then we can apply some type of soap and disinfectant at the end. Mainly is just water. This little pressure washer is only 1600 psi, just enough pressure to clean it. You can see this turbine is even white because they were doing some construction here, but it's gotta be clean also. You can see how we cover everything to protect the wall. You see this bucket full of dirty water. You don't see this, you don't see all this unless you disassemble the unit, and you don't have to disassemble the unit completely, just enough to reach the coil, the filters, the turbine. Same with this condenser unit. This is one of the worst cases, and as I said, you don't see this unless you disassemble the unit, because the turbine is behind the pieces. Same with these filters. As you can see, you don't see the filters unless you disassemble the unit, as I said. So all the pieces, all the little pieces, gotta be washed, serviced. And also the condenser unit, you see, is full of dust, pet hair, and whatever in the environment is. You can see how the little pressure washer removes all the dust, all the debris. There you go, nice and beautiful. Now you can see through the coils. There you go, it's ready to go like if it was new. Now another thing that happens a lot when we go to give its regular maintenance to the air conditioners, it happens that it's not only a maintenance, but actually a lot of times our customers call us when the unit is broken. So in that case, that's another quote, that's another estimate. We can check or inspect the unit, and depending on what type of failure, electrical, electronic, mechanical issue, or some leaks, depending on that, we can give an estimate, and it might be repaired the same day, or if we have to order some pieces, it can take longer depending on the piece to arrive.